Students, today we will study the chapter Soil Resources and we will read about the soil, red soil. So red soil, it is formed by weathering of old crystalline Parens rock. Here the Parens rocks are the igneous and metamorphic rocks like acid granite, gneiss and quartzite of the peninsular plateau that break up and form the soil. Color of the soil. It is red in color as it contains large amount of iron oxide. At several places, its colors it slightly changes and it appears brown or gray. It looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. The texture of the red soils, it varies from sand to clay, the majority being loam. The red soils, they are porous, that is, water can easily pass through it. They are also powdery in nature, that is, they can be crumbled easily. It is poor in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and organic matter. It contains soluble salts in some quantities. They are rich in potash and can be fertile when used with right type and quantity of fertilizers and irrigations. Crops are suitable for dry farming or dryland farming in areas with poor rainfall. Dry farming, it depends upon efficient storage of the limited moistures in the soil and the selection of crops and growing methods. It is not fertile but responds to fertilizers. It needs irrigation support for cultivation. Though red soil is suitable for cultivating almost all crop types, it is most suitable for growing vegetables, rice, ragi and tobacco. Groundnut and potatoes can be grown on coarse soil at higher level and sugarcane on heavy clays at lower levels. Distribution of red soil. Red soil, it forms the second largest soil groups in India and it is found mainly on the plateau region of peninsular India from Tamil Nadu in the south to Bundelkhand in the north and Rajmahal Hill in the east to Kutch in the west. Red soil, it covered almost whole of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, southeastern Maharashtra, part of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bundelkhand, and in northeast Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, and Nagaland. So it practically encircles the entire black soil region. On the all sides, it extends northward in the west along the Konkan coast of Maharashtra.